Yo, what up guys? So in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can get more leads and sales into whatever it is that you're promoting online by leveraging free Facebook marketing strategies. So let's run the intro and dive right into it. It really is such a beautiful spot to come and shoot this video, guys. It's pretty nice. And check out this dude. He's been pestering me all day doing these videos. But yeah, like I said guys, what I want to do is just talk about the number one thing that you need to focus on if you want to get more sales online in 2020 by leveraging free Facebook marketing strategies. Now, it's something that a lot of people are underestimating because it's like so simple. It's like, if it's that simple, it isn't going to work, right? But the key to succeeding with Facebook is to keep things simple. Now, you might be wondering, it's like, Fraser, why should I listen to you? You know, of all these people talking about Facebook, why should I listen to you? Well, I've been doing it for 8 years. You know, I've been doing the same strategy for 8 years now. You know, I've made my dream lifestyle become a reality. You know, crushed it in affiliate marketing. So, yeah, I just thought I'd put it out there in case you're wondering I'm some like random dude, you know, it's kind of spurring off a lot of rubbish. But this is stuff that can really impact you and really benefit your life and business. So, the number one thing, here it is, drum roll please. The number one thing, guys, that you want to be focusing on if you want to make more leads and sales is engagement. Now, I know you're probably thinking, oh, like everybody does that. Well, the thing is, no one does it in the right way. A lot of people think just, you know, liking and saying like, hey, awesome or great photo is going to get more, you know, it's going to boost their edge rank, because that's what Facebook's algorithm's called. It's called edge rank, right? The higher your edge rank, the more leads, or sorry, the more eyeballs that you're going to get onto your profile, right? That's basically how Facebook works, right? The higher your edge rank, the more viewers that you'll get onto your profile. If you want to get more sales on by leveraging free Facebook marketing, you need to have eyeballs on your profile, so you need to be boosting your edge rank. But to increase your edge rank in 2020, it's not as simple as it was, you know, years ago. You know, like when I first started off, it has changed a little bit. So when people are doing posts, you know, and you see these comments like, you know, great video or awesome or just leave a thumbs up, you're not actually doing yourself any favors. You can be lowering your engagement by doing that. It's crazy the way Facebook works with all their bots and technology. If you want to, one of the most powerful ways for you to increase your edge rank is to leave a relevant comment, right? So say someone does a post, you know, a very detailed one, you know, don't just say awesome, you know, actually, you know, relate back to what they said in their post in the comment section. You know, sort of maybe start like a little like conversation in the comments with the person that did the post, because that's really going to help your edge rank, right? That's going to help you boost that like to a whole different level, and again, that's going to result in more eyeballs in your profile. Now, you might be thinking, oh, I've got to do that for 2 hours a day, you know, comment on people's posts. The thing is, guys, you can do it in 15-20 minutes, right? It's amazing how many detailed comments you can leave on your Facebook, like on your friends' profiles or on their post in 15 to 20 minutes. You can actually do quite a lot. So do it when you wake up, do it when you're on your lunch break, do it before you go to bed. You know, just commit, you know, even 30 minutes, right? Because that's, the longer you do it, the better it's going to be. But again, it's not like 2 or 3 hours. You know, 20-30 minutes is more than enough. That's what I do, and that's how I'm getting sales every single day, by boosting my edge rank so I get more eyeballs on my profile. So yeah, focus on engaging, focus on leaving relevant comments, and as long as you're doing everything else right on Facebook, which I'll probably cover that in a later video, because like I said, I just want to kind of do bite-sized stuff, you know, so I'm not like giving you guys info overload in one video. Alright, I'll talk about that maybe in tomorrow's video. I'll talk about the kind of content that you should be posting out there on Facebook. But like I say, before you even think about that, you need to be getting, you know, eyeballs onto your Facebook profile, and the best way for you to do that is to connect and engage with people that are in your niche, right? There's no point commenting and engaging on people's posts that are going to have no interest in what it is that you're doing. So make sure you're building a target audience. Make sure you're adding friends with people who are going to be interested in what you're doing. So if you're selling a health and wellness product, you know, make sure you're adding people in the health and wellness niche, right? It really is common sense when it comes to Facebook, but a lot of people think because it's too simple, it ain't going to work. But why does it need to be hard? You know, it doesn't need to be difficult. It can be quite simple, right? So make sure you're adding people from your target audience, you know, your target market, for in another word, right? And then yeah, make sure you're engaging on their profiles. Yes, you might have no interest in what they're doing, right? But I mean, you're never gonna know if they're gonna be interested in your stuff. So if you're engaging on their profile, they're gonna see your content. Alright, so maybe there's been, here's another little solid tip for you, right? Say there's been someone that you've been speaking to on Facebook, right? And they've shown interest in what it is that you're doing, but they've not taken that leap to actually join you. Every single post they do, comment, like, or don't like it, actually love the comment, right? Because that helps, because it takes a little bit more effort. So again, in Facebook's eyes, that's like, okay, he's trying harder. Alright, so love the comment or love the post, and then write a relevant comment to whatever that person's posted, because if you do that, they're going to see your post that you do on Facebook, right? So you comment on people's posts, they're going to see your post. So again, if you're speaking to people that have shown interest but they're not taking that leap, then engage on their stuff. And then, like I say, the kind of content you should be posting, I'll cover that in another video. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Alright, and then putting it all together, that's what's going to result in you getting ultimately more leads, which will mean more sales. As long as the leads that you're getting are, you know, going to be interested in what it is that you're doing. But before I'm going to be teaching you, that is going to work. Alright, so with that being said, hope you're going to value. Make sure you like the video, it helps out. This is one of my new YouTube channels, trying to grow as fast as possible. Hit that subscribe button, and if you've got any topics, you know, any things that you'd like me to cover, please let me know. So yeah, with that being said, I'm out here, guys. I'm probably going to go for a swim, and I will see you in the next video.